Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. I'm doing a volume lesson for my year 10s and I'm going to show them a quick demonstration of volume of two shapes. One is a cuboid, just using some Weetabix here, and the other is a cylinder, using Pringles again, like we did with the surface area. So for the cuboid, to know the volume, you need to measure these in centimeters or another unit like that, and the volume there is going to be length times width times height. Now say it's square on the end, and say it's 10 centimeters by 4 by 4. Well, that's going to be 4 times 4 will be 16 times 10. It'll be 160 centimeters cubed, whatever the particular units are. But a particular thing to notice there is that it's 3 dimensions for the volume. Okay, so it's length times width times, in my case, height or depth for a cuboid there. If we have a cylinder, volume of the cylinder there, again it's going to have a length, in this case the height of the Pringles box, and then needs the area of the cross section, because that circle there is going to go right through that shape. So I'm going to need the length times the cross section. In this case the cross section is a circle, so if it's pi r squared. Now let's say I measure that and the radius is 3 and the length, say, is 10 centimeters. Well, 3 squares would be 9. We'd get 90 pi, and say pi is 3.14, but we should be able to use a calculator for that question there. Okay, so these units for volume we're measuring in centimeters cubed or other, say, millimeters cubed. When we move on to capacity, that's where we'll find out how much liquid would go into the shape, rather than dimensions of a shape, and that's where we'll look at things like liters and milliliters. Okay, so for my year 10s, those are 2 volume examples. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.